In this video, I'll show you how to turn off or on adaptive connectivity on Android, auto switch to mobile network, save battery life. Begin first by opening up your Android settings app. My settings app is on my home screen and I'm just going to tap on it to open it. Once open, look for network and internet and tap on it. At the bottom, look for where it says adaptive connectivity and tap on it. Currently, adaptive connectivity is turned off. This is because both of these adaptive connectivity options, optimize network for battery life and auto switch to mobile network, are turned off. If either of these is on or both are on, then adaptive connectivity is considered toggled on. So for this video demo, I'm going to turn on adaptive connectivity. So I'll need to toggle on at least one of these options. I'm going to toggle on both of these options. Auto switch to mobile network. This ensures connectivity when Wi-Fi is poor or unavailable. Data charges may apply. I'm going to toggle this on as I want to be connected to the internet at all times. Optimize network for battery life. Automatically selects the best network connection to extend your battery life. That's kind of self-explanatory, and I'm going to tap on the toggle to toggle this on. And now if I press the arrow button at the top left hand corner to go back and look at adaptive connectivity setting, you can see it's toggled on. And that pretty much concludes this video on how to turn off or on adaptive connectivity on Android. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a like, comment down below, and most importantly of all, subscribe to support the channel. I'll see you on the next video.
Why is it so hard to let you go?